Hi, this is my gift to students and staff presentation by Miranda Christner. It's over chapter 10 in our course book. The chapter talked about incentive gifts. The first part of it talked about gifts to students. Fundraising incentives should be given to students who participate in the event. If you're having a fundraiser, a district-wide or school-wide fundraiser, those incentives should be given to those students who have participated in the event. They should be purchased with funds raised by a particular organization. The using of like, for example, FFA funds for a government organization fund, you would not have those go back and forth. If the organization raised those funds, then those funds are used for that organization. It talked about achievement gifts, that achievement awards are those that are given to students. Examples, if we have end of the year awards, individual awards, team awards. Funds for the achievement awards can come from donations of community members or local businesses. Sometimes these funds come from the general funds, and parent organizational funds can also be used, or even athletic funds if it's for an athletic team. Gifts to staff. The committee should be formed that's established written procedures and guidelines. The committee meets yearly to review guidelines and establish amount of contribution among the members. The funds are used for special life events for staff members. Incentive gifts could be given using the fund to promote fundraising activity. As a staff, I know that at the beginning of the year, we all donate into the fund. Those funds are used throughout the year to purchase items for the staff when it comes to special life events. We've also used those items for like Bus Drivers Week, things that we feel that's important as a staff to contribute. Also, incentive gifts, that was when they were talking about having, if the staff has a fundraising event, those gifts, as an incentive to raise more money, like the one who raises the most gets, a can of pop or whatever the case may be, to promote fundraising activities. Funds can be used for that. I did talk about something I was kind of surprised, that cash, gift cards, or checks should not be given to staff unless the amount is added to the employee's W-2 as income. That was something new to me. I did not realize that. I know as a staff we have done things like that in the past. So that was something that was very, something that has to be brought to attention of the staff, just to kind of see, if we want to continue something like that. I did not realize that that could be part of that. It did state, it may be best just to have tangible items of low value giving to staff as gifts. So this chapter talked a lot about things I kind of already knew, things I could actually take and say, hey, this is something we practice now. But again, I had those, wow, I did not realize moments. Resources and standards. The leader provides direction that promotes ethical and professional behavior among all members of the organization. I think as an administrator, it's important to make sure that those guidelines are established when it comes to gifting of students and staff and incentives, that whatever we do, we have we follow the guidelines and we do it in an ethical way. The last one with the technologies, 2B, I felt that the leader models and uses effective technology for learning, using Google Slides, creating presentations, using Screencast-O-Matic are excellent ways and tools for effective communication using technology. So I really thought the standard was best fit for this. And again, I had listed the resource that I used, the textbook that's used for this course. Thanks.